Audio Jungle.
Hi, I'm Multinato and thank you for buying my 3D stroke logo. To edit this logo, it's pretty simple. You'll open the template and you'll have you won't have this logo here. This is just for the tutorial. Just go in the Edit Me folder, your logo. Just double click that. Just turn off the logo that I created. Just drag in your logo, or chose the Invato logo. Scale it to the size that you want. If it's a vector logo, don't forget to click the collapse transformations for full quality. And that's basically it. I'm just waiting for it to show the logo. As you can see, in this case, if you want the logo a little bit thinner in the stroke, you just go to your stroke right here, and there is an optimal size for your logo stroke, so I'm just going to try and help you find. What we're going to do is going to make this a little bit thinner, and I'm just going to hide these layers. You got the stroke control, just go here and you have the basically the red stroke is what defines the final thickness, and the gray stroke is just the effect growing. So what we're trying to do is we're going to define our final thickness, and then we're going to get our gray stroke as close as possible to that, so for optimal effect. Okay, so I'm just going to put, this is 12, let's try 6, just about half, and that looks pretty good already. I'm just going to click here different parts to see if it's working correctly, and it seems okay. What we don't want are these. I'm just going to crank this up. What we don't want are these errors that are showing here. Like this. We don't want that. We don't want that to happen. Like that or that. So basically, if that ever happens to your logo, just crank that down. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. I'm just going to put this in quarter quality so you can see if it works correctly. And you can just press play or space on your keyboard just to see if these things are animating, and it is. We'll see, and it seems like it's animating correctly. Okay, so your logo will work fine with that. The thinner the logo, the thinner the stroke should be, so it'll look better. If you have a very thin logo and you use a very thick stroke, it'll look weird. And as for your slogan, I'm going to double click here. Just double click on your slogan, and it's just a text. Your logo's underneath as reference, so don't mess. You don't have to scale your logo. Just take your slogan and you just scale this to the size text you want, and you can drag that around. So just forget your logo underneath, which you don't need. Okay, so basically that's it. And as for rendering, just go to your Render Me folder, the final, just composition, add to render queue, choose the video format that you want. I usually choose 264. Okay, don't forget to activate your audio. Okay, and final, you just choose the folder where you want that to render, and just render it out. Thank you once again for buying my template, and if you like it, please don't forget to rate it. Thank you once again.